Hello guys, let's now jump into the past paper question about surds. If you want to know the concept, I have very well explained in the previous video. Check out in the description to go for that lesson, and here we will apply all those concepts that we have learned there. So past paper question number 1, we have here a plus square root b squared equals to 49 plus 12b square, where a, b are integers and b is a prime. Find the value of a and b. So I will start with this one here. We have here a plus square root b, then we have square of this, and this is given to us 49 plus 12 root b. So if you look at this here, so in the left hand side we have a and b, so we will start with the left hand side. So I will expand this. So we are going to use the formula for this. We know that we have a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b squared, right? So we are going to use this formula to here. So here instead of b we have a square root b, so this left hand side will become equals to a squared, then we will have b root squared plus 2a root b. Okay, so this is a squared plus this b square root and square it is b plus 2ab square root. Now this thing is equivalent to 49 plus 12 root b. So now if you look carefully here, if we compare the like terms here, then we will see that here we have this is square root b and square root b. So we are going to compare this and this here. So if you look around here, so we have 2a will be equal to 12. So this gives us that a is equal to 6. So we got the value of a, and the condition was a and b are integers, so a can be b, that is possible, right? So now looking at the other part, so this part over here, the other part, if I take let's say we have this one a square plus b, and this side we have 49. So by equating this part, a square plus b equals to 49, and a is 6, so I will put 6 squared plus b is 49. So we can calculate b from here, then you subtract this one, so b is 13. So this is how you will find out value of a and b in this. Okay, so now let's jump into the next question. We have here question number 2. We have to find out the value, given that e, f and positive integers, find the value of e and value of f. So we'll go step by step again. So I will start with the left hand side. We need to expand the brackets here. So I have here 5 root 2 minus e, then we have 3 square root 2 plus e. So now if you look here carefully, we can only multiply here. So this 5 root 2, then the whole bracket, right? This is 3 root 2 plus e, then minus e, then we have 3 root 2 plus e. Okay, so now we will, this e is multiplied throughout the second bracket. So 5 times 3 it is 15, then root 2 times root 2 is 2, right? So we have solved this one. Then the second term plus e times this, so it is 5e square root 2. Okay, then the other one is minus, we have negative sign here, so it is 3e square root 2, and then again e will be multiplied here. It's just expanding the brackets, nothing else, right? So this is 30 minus, I bring e square here on the left hand side, then these two are like terms, 5 minus 3 it will be 2e square root 2. So now 5 is greater and it has positive sign, so we have taken positive sign here. So now this thing is equivalent to, we are given that this is equal to here f minus f, this is equal to f square root 2 minus 6. So now again we will compare the coefficients, I would say. So this is 2e square root 2. So as square root 2 is the second term here, so I will write here the other second side like this, negative 6. We can bring it to the first place. So now we can compare. So if I compare here, the first, this part without the square root is 6. So we have 30 minus e square is equal to negative 6. Okay, then the other part is the square root. With the square root we have here 2e, and this side we have f here, right? So from here we got f is going to be 2e. So first that we need to find out the value of here e. Okay, so from here it is 30 plus 6 equals to e squared, right? From here we get e as 6. So e is 6, so that value of e we can substitute here. 2 times 6 is f, so which is 12. So we have e is 6 and f is 12, right? So I hope that's clear now. So let's jump into the next question. We have here 50. We have different surds in different with different signs here that we can simplify here. So we have square root 50, 1 for 28 minus square root 200. Okay, so I'm just taking the left hand side first of all, then we will move equate it to the right hand side. So as we can split this, like if I divide this by 2, I will get 2 times 25. So we can factorize. Then here also if I multiply 2 times 64, and this can be written as 2 times 100. So why I got this idea, as you can see on the right hand side we have square root 2, so meaning we can have square root 2 here, so we will divide it by 2. So now if we look here, square root for 25 is 5 root 2 remain as it is. Then here 64 square root is 8 square root 2 minus, then 100 is 10 square root 2, right? So now we will see just square root 2 is common, so 5 plus 8 minus 10 root 2 here. So 5 plus 3 it is 8, 13 minus 3 it is 3 root 2, and this is equivalent to n root 2. So it's very clear now what is the value of n. So from here n is, if you compare here, is 3. So this is our answer. Okay, now the next part of this, here we have given that a is a prime number. So a is a prime number, so we have this given and we need to write down this into this form. Basically we are just simplifying it. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So I will write here 5 root a plus a over 10 root a. So if you look around here at numerator and denominator, the only thing that I can do here, that we can rationalize this. Why? Because you see in the answer that we require there is no denominator. So I will multiply by here square root a on the numerator and denominator. So I have here, this one is 5 root a plus a, then there is a root a over, then we have 10 times, this will be an a. Okay, so now you multiply this inside this square root a, expand the bracket. So this is 5 sorry, this is not 6, this is a. So 5 8 will become 5a, then plus a root a. Okay, so down we have here 10 times a. Now if you see here a is common, then we have 5 plus root a over 10a. So this and this is cancelled, so now we can just write it down as this is 5 over 10 plus root a over 10. or you can write it down 1 over 2 plus 1 over 10 square root a. So which is in the same form, x plus y root a. So now there is another question, show your working clearly, give your answer where x and y. Yeah, so we have, this is the answer of a. Given that a, what is the value of a now? We are not looking actually for the value of a, we want to express this here. So we got here x is half and y is 1 over 10. Okay, now this question over here, I have the square on left hand side, and we are given that a and b are positive integers. So maybe you will need this later, all these things you need to know. Find the value of a and value of b, show you're working clearly. Again, let's start with the left hand side. We have square root a. I think you know now how to do this. As you can see, we can use here the formula of a plus b whole squared, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So a square, that means square root a square plus 2ab, 2 times square root a square root 8a plus b square is 8a square root and the square. Okay, so now this is a, this is plus 2 square root a and square root 8, 2 square root a and 8a plus this is 8a. Okay, this and this square root and square gets cancelled. So now if we combine these like terms here, what will you see? We will see here you have 8a plus a, this is 9a plus this 2 square root a. I'm splitting this, square root 8 is square root 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, so we have 2 root 2. So I'm replacing this by 2 root 2, and then we have root a plus, so sorry, we are done with this. 8a is combined here, so we have 9a plus 2 times 2, it is 4, and then we have root 2, and then a and a is square root of a. This will be only a here. So now we have here, this is 9a plus 4a root 2. Okay, and this is equivalent to 54 plus b root 2. So now we are just going to compare them. So if you compare here, this is going to be 9a equals to 54. So let me write here, 9a is equal to 54, so a is 6. Okay, so value of a is 6. The other part, when you compare this one here, so we will have b is equal to 4a, and a is now 6, so we are going to multiply. So a is 6, b is 24. So you see we have the value of a and b, and both are positive. Now here we have a question from geometry. The diagram shows a solid cylinder. Here the cylinder has radius 4 root 3. So this is 4 root 3, and the height is h given. The total surface area of cylinder is 56 pi root 6. Find the exact value of h and give your answer in this form. Okay, so first of all, let's find out the total surface area. So the total surface area of the cylinder means we are looking for this curved part, which is 2 pi r h, and this area of the top is pi r squared, and area of the bottom is also pi r squared. So total surface area is 2 pi r square, we will add together, and 2 pi r h. Okay, so now we have this here 2 pi, and r is 4 root 3, which is square, and plus 2 pi and r is again 4 root 2 3 and h. Okay, so we can write, simplify this. When you do this, multiply here, 2 pi times 16 times 3, because this square root 3 is going to be this square root 3 is going to become 3, and then plus we have 4 times 2 8 pi root 3 and h. Okay, so now we will write down here. So this becomes 16 times 3 48, 48 times 2 it's 96, 96 pi plus 8 pi root 3 and h. So pi is common from here, so it is 96 plus 8 root 3, then we have h here, and this is equivalent to 56 pi root 6. Okay, so now if you see, look around here, so this pi and pi gets cancelled, so we have now 8 root 3 h equals to root 6. So h is going to be root 6 over 8 root 3. Okay, so once when you do this one, sorry, I missed this minus 6 here, so this is minus 6, 96, 96 goes on other side. So it is we have, sorry, I missed 56 as well. So we have here 56 root 6 minus 96 over 8 root 3. So now we need answer in this form, right? Square root 2 and square root 3. Now so the only thing that we can do here, we can rationalize. So we will multiply and divide by the square root 3. So then we have here 56, inside the bracket we will have this is going to multiply by 3 here. So okay, before we do, let me just divide this, maybe we can get it. So here 56 root 6 and 8 roots 3 minus 96 over 8 root 3. Okay, so now we got here 56, this is 7, it will be like this, 6 over 3 minus this is 12 root 3. So this is multiplied here, so we got here 7 root 2 minus 12, and then now we can here multiply by root 3 and root 3 to make to rationalize the denominator. So this became 12 root 3 over 3. So then this 3 is going to get cancelled, then final answer will be 7 root 2 minus 4 root 3. Okay, now here we have question, another question here, that is again we have to expand the brackets in the left hand side here. So I have this one here, when you multiply this 3 is going to multiply throughout, so it is going to be 3 into 2 c minus 3 plus square root c, then 2 root c minus 3. So now you just expand again, 3 times 2 6, this is root c minus 9 plus 2, this square root c and square root c will become c minus 3 root c. Okay, so now combine the like terms here. If you see here, we have 6 and this minus 3, 6 minus 3, it is 3 root c minus 9 plus 2 c. Okay, so now this is given to us equivalent to 1 plus k root c. So let me just rewrite this one. I'm writing 9 plus 2c plus 3 root c. So I've done nothing, I've just swapped the sides here. I have just written 3c to make it similar on right hand side. Just I have changed the position of that. So this one is equal to 1 here. So it's negative 9 when you compare both sides, equals to 1, and then we have here k is equal to 3. So once you got k is 3, yeah, k, and they are prime number. 3 is a prime, so we are right here. So 2c is equal to 10 and c will be 5. So value of c is 5, which is also a prime number, right? Now we have the part of this. So we have p power m, and this we need to find out the value of m. So I will take pm. This is equal to 1 over p times. So this can be written as p squared, then this cube root can be written as 1 over 3, right? So when you multiply here, this will be p times p power 2 over 3. Okay, so then you write it like p, this is 1 here, adding we are using the root of xm times xn, so p1 plus 2 over 3. So this is 1 over p power 3 plus 2, it's 5 over 3. So this can be written as p power minus 5 over 3, and this is equal to p power m. So if you compare, base is same, so meaning the value of m from here is negative 5 over 3. So p is negative 5 over 3, right? So as we move to the lesson, kindly, if you are liking this video, please press the like button right now, and please share it with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and kindly write in the comment section that how do you like the video. It motivates us to create more videos. Okay, so we have this question here, can be expressed in form of square root k. So we are just simplifying this, means we will rationalize this. So this is root 3, this 27 can be written as 3 times 3 times 3, right? So we have root 2 here. So 3 plus this is 3 root 3. I think now you can easily do that. So we don't need any root in the denominator. So to rationalize, we will multiply with the same number. So when you multiply here this square root to this side, it will become square root 6 plus 3 times square root 6 over it is 2. Okay, so once you do this one, so now this is 1 square root 6. So if you see here, this is, we can write it down like this. We can take out root 6 common. So 1 plus 3 over 2. So 1 plus 3 is 4 over 2 into square root 6. Okay, so this is 2 root 6, right? So value of k is 2 root 6. Sorry, value of root, this is k is under the square root, it is 6, so only 6 will be the answer. So I have tried to cover all kind of questions, guys, here about the surds. Kindly give me your feedback in the comment section. How do you like this, and let me know what lesson, what chapter you want me to next in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Be blessed.